Hello my healthy people. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make a delicious healthy salad. It's easy and quick to make. If you're in a hurry, this is the perfect salad for you, and it also aids in weight loss. So let's go ahead and make it. I have all this leftover quinoa. I need to use this up. And I did not make a salad last night, so I figured, you know what? Let me just throw this in a video and show you guys how I make my salads early in the morning on my way to work. So let's go. Okay, I get my bowl. I am using half of a cup of quinoa. Right? I have my cucumber, and I'm pretty much just going to cut it up. Let's just cut off this little tip right here. Salad in a hurry. How to make the best delicious salad when you are in a hurry. You have to go to work. You still want to eat healthy, and you didn't meal prep the night before. Easy, simple, and delicious, guys. It doesn't have to take up a lot of time to make a delicious salad, especially if you want to maintain a healthy weight. You forgot to meal prep. You're scared, you're worried, you're like, oh my god, Maxine's Corner, help me. I got you covered. Maxine's Corner's got you covered. Love it. All right, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna lay these down, just make it look fancy, so that when you go to work and they're like, hey, what are you eating? Oh, just this delicious salad I saw on Maxine's Corner. Where it's at? Where it's at? I think that's going to be my song. Trim the fat. Trim the fat. All right. So there I have my cucumbers all stacked up, right? And the next thing that you're going to want to add to that will be a nice delicious salad that's going to aid in your weight loss. I'm going to add some blueberries. Yes. This is my salad, believe it or not. So I add some blueberries. All right. And look how pretty that salad looks. So fast, so easy. 5-minute salad. Done. Okay, guys? So this is what I'm trying to tell you with this video. Show you how easy it is to put a salad together in 5 minutes, right? Cut it up. Just cut this up. All right. And this is just an apple that I'm cutting up. Gotta get my fiber. So we also know that cucumber is good for inflammation. It also keeps you hydrated as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my fiber. Top it all off. I have a avocado, but I am not going to use the entire thing. If you're someone that want to raise your HDL, which is your good fat, well, this is good. If you have bad cholesterol, it's good to have avocado as well because it's good fat, okay? So I'm pretty much just gonna cut these in like cubes, nothing crazy. To prevent my apples from turning brown and to prevent my avocados from turning brown as well, I have half of a lemon, and I'm just gonna put a little bit of the lemon juice on it, just like that, right? Just like that. Just like that. Simple and easy, right? And then once I get to work, I'm going to take the other half. I'm going to put it here just like that. And then what I'm going to do is, if you want to, you can add some tomatoes, some cherry tomatoes to make it look pretty. And it's pretty much up to you. What I am going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of parsley just to give it a nice little color. Okay? Just add some parsley in there, just like that. Oh, so I have this in here, and I'm going to use the rest of it as my salad dressing, and I'm just going to take a little bit of Himalayan salt with me and my lemon. So I'm going to use the rest of the lemon juice and Himalayan salt, and that's going to be my salad dressing for the day. This is perfect. It gives you your protein. It gives you your carbohydrates. It gives you your fiber. You have everything, a little bit of antioxidant in there. So this is a delicious salad that you're going to enjoy. It's going to keep you full. You're gonna have a good time. This is great. Thank you, Maxine's Corner. You're welcome. If you love this video, go ahead and give it a what? Big thumbs up. And what? Stay healthy.